Bonjour les amis, do you want to your Valentine when you go in Paris, but you don't know where to go and what to say? Hi, I'm Llyane Stanfield, and you are watching French Valentines with Llyane, where I am giving you a spot, romantic spot in Paris where you could go with your Valentine, and what to say, and that is between the 1st and the 14th of February. And these videos don't stay on Facebook, they will expire, and if you would like to have access to all the 14 videos, please reach out through the link in the description of this video. Also, I'm going to give you the pronunciation of what I suggest that you could say to your Valentine. And if you would like to have much more insight into the French pronunciation, please go into the link in the description of this video and download the French pronunciation cheat sheet. So today is day number 5, and I'm going to suggest that the hotel where you could stay when you go in Paris for Valentine's Day, and that is Le 5 Hotel in the 5th arrondissement, le 5e arrondissement, which is considered the most romantic hotel in the capital. Of course, it has 5 stars, and it is definitely one of the attractions of the city. And what you can say: Mon cœur bat la chamade pour toi. Mon cœur bat la chamade pour toi, which means my heart is pounding for you. So let's see the pronunciation. I'm going to break down the pronunciation so that you can be really, having that accent and the right way to say it, so that eventually ends up being romantic as you really want it to be. So, Mon cœur bat la chamade pour toi. O-N in mon is nasal O, so mon. Cœur, O-E, is a character that is still in French, is still used for a very limited number of words, and E is pronounced, it's actually replacing the E letter, and then that OE followed by U, it's a rule in pronunciation in Parisian French, which EU is pronounced E. So all that OEU is as if it was the E, just the E without an accent, so the E sound, cœur. Also, cœur is an exception because the final R is pronounced. It is a rule of thumb of the pronunciation in French where the final consonant is silent, and obviously this is one of the exceptions. Bat. This is the conjugation of the verb battre, to beat, and the rule of pronunciation that appears here is the final consonant is silent, so T is not pronounced. La, simple, don't put the English vowel A, so it's A, not A. La, chamade. CH is a rule of pronunciation, is pronounced sh. Be careful to pronounce A and not E or A. Pronounce it chamade, not sha, chamade. Final E is silent because it doesn't have an accent, and that's all I have to say for this word. Pour, OU is a rule of pronunciation in French and is pronounced U, and the final R obviously is pronounced. Another exception of the rule of thumb in French where that says that the final consonant is silent. And toi, O-I, in French is pronounced wa. So these are the rules of pronunciation that we can recognize in this expression. And so Again, these videos expire from Facebook. If you'd like to have full access to them, please reach out through the link from the description of this video. And also, you're going to be able to download the pronunciation cheat sheet that is there is waiting for you. Stay on your game and really prepare to be as romantic as you can be for this 14th of February. I'm here every single day, and I can't wait to hear your comment, to see your comments, and to see what you feel and what else would you like me to talk about. But this is my intention for these 14 days, to give you 14 places, romantic places in Paris, and 14 things that you can say in helping you with the pronunciation. I will see you tomorrow. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.